Hello from Bugeye Guys. This is where your parts come from, then they're shipped. And this outside is a very special Bugeye that we've been building for a year. It takes that long sometimes. And I want to take you with me on a drive to the gas station. The first drive to the first time to a gas station in its new life. This is a stage 3 engine with an, excuse us for a horribly ugly breather. We are waiting for our catch can to come in, so please don't be thrown by this. This is a spectacularly cool thing. It's probably going to have a different valve cover when it is finished, but for now we're just testing it. This is a stage 3 engine, about 100 horsepower, perhaps a little bit more, but everything on this car is really beautifully done, except it's not finished. So we're waiting for some more material to come in. We'll have a different steering wheel, but this is the car that has these really nice stripes, and you can start to see the custom leather that went into this dashboard bar, and there's some extra piping here and some beautiful door pockets. So all that stuff is in the works. Today we are just driving it for the first time. I just drove it around the block, so I did have about a mile or two, but now we're going to take you to the gas station and you'll see how it runs. This supercharger setup is spectacular, and on the stage 3 engine you have that much more power, so a really hot machine. Here we go. No seatbelt, no steering wheel bolt, a very itchy back seat, and a drive to the gas station. We're waiting for the trim to come back from the powder coater as well. So this is a brand new engine. It's been bench run by the builders and checked for leaks and checked for horsepower, and it's got no leaks and lots of horsepower. Front turn signals, so why bother? And that is a preview of a very special and cool Bugeye that we've been building here. 4-wheel disc brakes, 2 shocks, lots and lots of upgrades, and a really nice leather interior to come. Larger mirrored T-handle choke, GPS, speedo, new electronic gas gauge that's much better than any that we've sold in the past. New tack, new gauge, new dash, everything super great. Another wonderful Bugeye here from Bugeye Guys.